Hello dear children. Today in maths class I am going to teach you a new topic, that is multiplication. Children, do you know what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Let us see an example. Wow, here there are three children and they are having so many colorful balloons. Each child is having 6 balloons. Children, can you tell me how many balloons are there altogether? I know. To know the answer, you will add 6 three times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 18. Here we repeatedly added 6 three times. Now let us see how we can find the answer by doing multiplication. Here we will multiply 6 three times. 6 three times. Now we will read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. Children, now here you can see we got the answer 18. So this is the multiplication statement. Children, this is the symbol of multiplication. Here 6 and 3 are factors. The numbers which are multiplied together are called factors. And 18 is the product. The answer we get after multiplication is called the product. Now children, let us study about properties of multiplication. Commutative property. A change in order of numbers does not affect the product. This is called commutative property of multiplication. Let us see the example. 8 times 3 is same as 3 times 8, that is 24. If we will multiply 8 by 3, we'll get the answer 24. And if we will multiply 3 by 8, then also we will get the answer 24. 8 threes are 24 and 3 eights are also 24. So here we can see that the change in order of factors does not change the product. This is called commutative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. The multiplication of three numbers does not affect the product even if the grouping of numbers is changed. This property is called associative property of multiplication. Let us see the example. 2 times 3 times 4 is equals to what? Now, when we have to multiply more than two numbers, we can group factors together using parentheses. This makes it easier to read and find its value. 2 times 3 times 4. Now, here what we will do, we will group 2 and 3 together. Now the multiplication sentence looks like this. So what is the product? To find the product, we will start multiplying the numbers inside the parentheses. So we will first multiply 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then multiply 4. Now 6 times 4 is equals to 24. Now we got the answer 24. Now children, suppose we go back to the original sentence. 2 times 3 times 4. And here we group together the last two numbers. It means 3 and 4. If we group 3 and 4 together. So how we will write the statement now? 2 times. Now we will multiply 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Now we have two numbers to multiply. 2 and 12. 2 times 12 is equals to 24. So here you can see we got the same answer 24. As here you can see that it does not matter that which two numbers we multiplied first. We can group any two numbers together and still we can get the same product. I hope you now understood that after grouping the numbers differently in multiplication sentences, we get the same product. This is called associative property of multiplication. Multiplicative property of 1. When we multiply any number by 1, the product is the number itself. This property is called multiplicative property of 1. Let us see the examples. 9 times 1 is equals to 9. 26 times 1 is equals to 26. 135 times 1 is equals to 135. As here you can see that after multiplying any number by 1, we get the number itself as the product. See, if we multiply 9 by 1, we got 9. If we have multiplied 26 by 1, we got 26. When we multiplied 135 by 1, we got the answer 135. So this is called multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 0. When we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. This property is called multiplicative property of 0. Let us see few examples. 8 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. 79 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. 500 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. As here you can see that after multiplying any number by 0, we got the answer 0. We got the product 0. This is called multiplicative property of 0. Children, I hope now you all have understood the properties of multiplication. Now, your homework is in your My Semester book 3A. You will do page number 120, 121 and 122. Thank you.